We see at the beginning of a new age. Humanity is going to, after that event, hopefully establish so that there will be world peace. And humanity will grow forward from this point, but it's just at the bottom edge right now.